sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys have a good Labor Day weekend. Today I was gonna make a quick video for you guys how to make a bevel, cómo hacer un bisel. En esta ocasión vamos a hacer este video porque nos lo hicieron request el compa Agustín Hernández. Y el compa Agustín Hernández nos dice cómo hacer un bisel con una grinder. Of course, my horse. So, vamos a hacer este video con esta pipa aquí de 2 pulgadas. Como pueden ver, ya le hice veo una a un lado, so vamos a hacerle al otro. Y este video nada más, video rápido, how to make a bevel. So, without further ado, guys, let's get to it. Alright, guys, so to make this bevel, always remember safety first. So your glasses, your gloves, and ear protection. It's always a good idea. So we're gonna check the square first, and if your pipe is square, you know, you made your cut, and if it's good, then you start making the bevel. Like right now you have some paint here, so what I'm gonna do is grind all this paint out, or maybe I'll do the bevel first. I'll probably do the bevel first and then clean it. So we're gonna grab a 4-inch grinder and we'll get to it. Right, so square is good, then you start beveling. All right, so you have your pipe, you have your grinder ready, you have power. Make sure you have power, everything's good. So what I'd like to do is just go like this, side to side. I go like this, and then if you can roll the pipe, like this small pipe, you can roll it, and then you just keep going like that. I don't do like this. It's gonna be a bevel. We're gonna pretend this bevel is for stick welding, nickel landing. You know, this is not a TIG welding, what we're doing right now. So we're just gonna make the bevel and leave nickel landing. All right, this is how I do it. Other people might do it different. There's a lot of ways to do it. Some people put the pipe like this and then go like this, side to side. Some people don't move the pipe. I like to move it because it's easier for me. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so I like to go like this and just keep spinning until you get all the way around. And you can see here I'm leaving the nickel landing right there. That will be a landing. And that's it. So just go all the way around. Now we got our target disc or target pot, and we go put on the grinder real quick. And what I like to do with this one is go like this, just a little, not too hard, just side to side. That should make it smooth. It looks alright. See the difference? The Tiger looks is better now. Alright, so now with our end grinder, you just clean the inside of it and the outside, and then that should be good. Alright, guys, so this is how Captain Manny do his bevels. First, you check the square, make sure everything's good. All right. Then you grab your grinder disc, metal disc grinder, and I go like this. And if you can spin it like this one, You know, I don't have a tripod right now, guys. That's why I'm using this jack stand. But you do your bevel, and then with your end grinder, you clean the inside. And it's a good idea to have an end grinder because sometimes you cannot go inside, you know, little pipes like this with the wire wheel. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys have a good Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.